Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Alas Harum. One company is very big, just nearby Ubud, around 20 minutes driving up to the north of Ubud. This area we call Tegalalang. So in this place, in this company, we have a lot of place to make a photo and footage video. So if you want to know what we have in this company, because in this company we have a lot of activity too, like swing, bicycling and everything. So just keep stay in touch, check it out. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Alas Harum. One big company is around 20 minutes driving up to the north from Ubud. This is the parking area for Alas Harum company. Before you going in, you have to clean your hand because during the pandemic corona we have to follow the rule and you have used mask. This is the gate in to go to the Alas Harum. You see at the front, there is the rice field. This company very famous for the coffee plantation of the coffee luwak. You see the animal? This is we call luwak or like mongoose. The mongoose at the jungle, they're eating the bean of the coffee. And mongoose will make fermentation of the coffee in their stomach to make low caffeine from the coffee. On video, there is the coffee from the poop. We call it from the jungle. And then we clean by the hot water around 10 minutes. And then we split the shell from the bean. After that, we're drying the coffee bean before the process. On video, there is the coffee bean ready to the next process. Okay, then we fried the coffee. It's around 1.5 hours. And after that, we're pounding the coffee bean until to be powder. It is good for exercise to make muscle. Okay, then after that, we split the bean from the powder. If you want to know more about the coffee luwak, you can click the link in this description. As you know, Indonesian country is tropical country, so we are rich with the spices. We have ginger, we have lemongrass, we have turmeric, corn, coffee, and else. In this company, there is the shop, so you can buy the product from here. The powder of luwak coffee, lemongrass tea, mangosteen tea, ginger tea, and else. Because in this company, we have lots of the different tea and coffee. Coffee luwak is very famous for the people because the coffee luwak is very low caffeine and good healthy for body and also good for heart. You see the cafe down there? It's very quiet because during the pandemic corona, as you know, all around Bali is very quiet. Before you're going down to do activity and make video footage, you have to pay the ticket here. Or you can get free ticket if you do some activity as swing, flying fox, and cycling on the roof. I'm sorry, I don't really know exactly the name of this activity. If you want to know more about this company, you can click the link on this description. Make photo right there, like on the knees. It's very beautiful. There. also there. Some people make photo there. There too, like all the knees. It's very nice. Just very green around here. You see on the video? That is the rice bin. It's very beautiful, isn't it? I hope one day I will drive you to this company because this company is very beautiful. Ah, that is me on the video. I just try to make video footage. Do you think this is London Bridge? No, it's just traditional hanging bridge in Bali. Okay, so this is Alas Harum company. So what do you think? It's very beautiful, isn't it? Okay, thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.